Yeah. It's me, Lila G. Ma Rides, out doing something interesting, and in this case, something that you wouldn't want to come along for. But I took you anyway. If they hadn't have been open here, I'd be on the road somewhere getting really, really wet. Had the nicest time chatting with this lady in motor clothes. They only took me an hour and a half for an unplanned oil change, and if anybody can explain to me why you should not stage a fat boy next to another, well, explain, okay? Really. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it's easing up now, but let's go check this shit out. Did we luck out or what?